Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Hema again with an unboxing video. Before getting started into the video, I'm going to repeat the same thing guys. If you are new here, take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell icon. It's absolutely not going to cost you anything, but it means a lot to me. So take a moment to subscribe to my channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks a lot for your love and support, and I mean it whenever I say a thank you. So without any further delay, we're gonna unbox the Blush Box for the month of May, and they have recently increased their price and it is now cost at $4.49 without any shipping, and you have COD. Yes, you heard it right, they came up with cash on delivery. And if you're a person not interested to put your credit or debit card information over the internet, and you're not interested to use any Paytm or PhonePe like wallets, so this is for you. You can just order the box and you can get it and you can pay it when you receive the box. That is so cool. And this is how it looks like. This is the typical Blush Box cardboard box. Inside this there will be a butter paper and everything will be neatly bubble wrapped if bubble wrapping is necessary for a specific product. So I'm gonna keep this aside, and without any further delay, let's get started guys. The first product I'm going to speak about is the Plump. It's a food soak in the variant Peppermint. It's a food scrub actually. This is how it looks like. A wonderful green color, and it exactly smells like peppermint. And we all know Plump. Nowadays Plump is added in most of the subscription boxes and it is organic. So I'm going to give it a try, but it was a little bit leaking, you can see. But it's okay, it's due to humidity. And this Plump is a free gift in the Mother's Edition of the Blush Box. Blush Box came up with Mother's Edition. It's a limited period stock. I'm not sure whether the stock is available, and it was cost around $7.19, and you have like 7+ products. So I did purchase it, and if you have not watched my Mother's Box unboxing, I will put that in the description box below. You can go and watch that. And Plump is added in that box too. The same product is added in that box too as a free gift. So the next product in the Blush Box is Last Natural Sunscreen Hydrogel, and it is SPF 50 plus UVA PA+++ UVB, and it says it's for sensitive to oily skin, and it's gonna match me exactly. Already we got some detan serum from Last Naturals from last month Blush Box, if I'm not wrong, and it is sealed. I'm not gonna open this guys. I already have enough sunscreens, and this is $265 and it is good until 2020. And we all know Last Naturals is a good product. It's really working good on me. And the next product is from Kronokare. Look at this guys, and it looks like a sandalwood gel. Actually it's a shower gel, and Kronokare is coming up with different states and cities speciality. Like this is some special edition from them, and it's spices of Rajasthan shower gel. We all know that Kronokare is free from sulfate, paraben, silicone and mineral oil. I'm gonna sniff this. Oh, I got this on my nose. So it is having a fruity kind of smell. I would say fruity smell. I really don't know how to explain how I feel when I smell this, but I should say it gives an immediate freshness. Like when I sniff it, I feel like I'm awake. So it gives life. That is how I feel like. So I'm gonna really try this shower gel, and you all know that I'm completely into shower gel nowadays, and I'm gonna give it a shot. So next product is from Seasol Australia. It's a pure pore oil to acne skin lightening series. So this is how it looks like, and it is for $200. It's a single time facial pack, and we are getting a lot of facial packs nowadays in most of the subscription boxes. I'm going to show you this sachets which is inside, and the steps are mentioned on the sachets. That is cool. So these are the sachets, like a normal one, and the first one says cleanser SS Pro, it says, and the second one is a Seasol gel toner, and the third one is a scrub which contains cocoa and coffee scrub, and the fourth one is a mint massage cream, and the fifth one is a mint mask. So it's really cool. I love the the way they mentioned what it cost, and it just gives the packaging date and all, like again with the net quantity. That is really cool. this is my next product. So I started with Plump, Kronokare, Sea Salt, Last Natural. We saw 4 products, and the final and the star product for this box is this cream, guys, and this is from Glamisha, Glamorous You Facelift Cream with vitamin E 100 grams, and this cost around 970 rupees, guys, and it is manufactured in 2017 and it is good until April 2019. And what does it says? Yeah, it says you have to wash and clean face before use. For best result, use Glamisha face wash. Okay, and it says lift cream and apply all over a face and neck in circular motion using fingertips and leave on, suitable for both day and night application. So let me see how it looks like. It's a huge tube. So it's like a normal day cream. It looks like a normal day cream. Let me see how it feels on me. It has a wonderful smell, guys. I could not find out what smell. Like, I feel like it has some powder smell which I already use, like a talcum powder. Yes, it gives a talcum powder, and it's completely matte. It is not leaving any oily residue, and it gives you a matte finish. So I think it's best to use before makeup, and the makeup will glide on your face. It's so nourishing. I feel the nourishment on my hand, and I feel like I applied a hand cream on me, so it's good for hands too. So I really feel it. That is so cool. And we got totally 5 products. It's worth around 2030, but all we pay is 449. I should say this is a steal deal, and if I'm gonna rank the boxes whichever I got in the month of May, and BlushBoxx is gonna stand up on the first place. I love everything, even though there is a no makeup product like lipstick or any such makeup items. I completely think everything is usable, like each and single product is usable, and which is a needed product, I would say. And again, everything is of new brand, new variety. I don't feel like I bored getting this box, so it's really cool, and I strongly suggest to purchase BlushBoxx because this is a steal deal and you get everything you want for this month. Yes, I think everything is covered. And please do leave your comments in the comment section below about the video, about the BlushBoxx, so that we will know what you think, what you guys think. And without any further delay, I'm gonna sign off, guys. So I will meet you in the next video. Until then, take care. Love you. Bye bye.